in the previous session whether the cryptocurrency is money. And we determined that it cannot be money because there is no government support and government protection of all dealers. It is only accepted in closed communities between certain individual and businesses, and only between them. Each one of them is voluntarily accepting it and may change its mind at any moment. So we cannot consider it as money. Money has to be for all the society and has to have a protection from the government. Now we will want to discuss whether this is an asset that is suitable for trading. Let's look first. To do that, we need to see what is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a creation of certain functioning of computers. It is not a physical thing that can be looked at as an asset that generates benefits. An asset that generates benefits and can be traded must be the asset that can, by its nature, able to create added value. Now, cryptocurrency is only something that is intangible and that does not represent any asset that can create added value. Now, we say in our religion, debts cannot be traded. Debts are an asset, but they cannot be traded. Money cannot be lent, and lending money cannot create added value. Whereas I can sell a commodity, I can sell an iPhone, I can sell a computer, I can sell a table, I can sell shoes for higher prices on credit than in cash. So that because all these have intrinsic utility, human beings benefit directly from them, and therefore they can be assets that can create added value. Debt cannot do that. Money, when it is kept as money, lent, cannot do that. And that is why interest is prohibited. Now the same thing here applies. Do cryptocurrencies create added value by themselves? Do they have intrinsic utility that they produce by themselves, similar to the utility of a computer or utility of a car or utility of a desk or utility of clothes? They don't. And therefore they are not a tradable asset from Sharia point of view. And you cannot make profit through them. And if you make any profit through them, that is not legitimate profit, that is not permissible in our Sharia. It should be given to charity, and anyone who does that should quit trading cryptocurrencies and stop doing that, and any gain that was done should be given to charity because it is not a halal income to you. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.